Hey, okay, this is a new attempt. I haven't done something like this before, so I will try to do like more kind of vlogging. Not vlogging, but I want to keep whatever I do in 1 week. I want to track it down or like videotape it, at least like all the outdoor activity stuff that I'm doing, like mountain biking, surfing, motorcycle riding, all of the fun things that I do in a week. So we'll always have like a weekly recap. Yeah, today I'm gonna go mountain biking. This is the first trial, so I won't have too much of the uphill parts, but I'll film on the downhill, so I'll see you up when I'm up the hill, and let's see how this goes. All right, I'm not all the way at the top now, but now it's just gonna be a very scenic part coming ahead, so I'm gonna film this. Let's start with why I try to do this series. I don't even know if I'll continue with that, with the weekly upload, or if it's going to be like this week and then next week and then it's going to drop off. We'll see how long I can do that. My personal goal was to go at least once a week mountain biking, at least once a week surfing, and my idea was to film all of this or bring my GoPro to get like a few snippets of it to see like my progress. If I can do longer rides, if I can do better waves, more waves, etc. I don't know if you can even capture it in those videos. It was like a nice idea to do that. Another reason why I'm doing this is I'm an international student. So from a year from now, I'm not 100% certain if I'm able to stay in the US or not. In case, like, I'm really hoping that I can find a job here and that I can continue living in the States, especially in California, because it's really a dream living out here. Yeah, but worst case scenario, I have to go back to Germany. I want to at least like have something that I can look back at and see like the nice adventures that I hopefully have this year. So yeah, this week is gonna be mountain biking today, then hopefully surfing on Tuesday or Thursday, and then we'll see from there on. I really hope that I can make this a series and do this like every week or every other week. Another benefit is all the editing. I haven't done any videos past year really, just like a few, and I really miss like editing videos, so this is a great chance for me to make videos, edit videos, go mountain biking, go surfing, do all kinds of outdoor activities, and bring the GoPro along, and I use it as like a weekly diary that I can watch later on or whatever. We'll see where it goes. Whoever tunes in, hope you enjoy. I'll put some elbow protectors on, put the chest mount on, and then we'll go downhill back to the car. And that was pretty much it. Hi there. It's Friday. I haven't been surfing yet, but I will go surfing later today. But yesterday I was driving around and I found a spot with like dirt bike jumps or like bike jumps. I don't know if it's open or not. if I can go there. I haven't really jumped on my bike yet, so I'm just gonna scope this place out, see how it is, and bring you along for like probably like the next 15 minutes. I should ask them. I'm allowed to ride here. Hey, how's it going?
How you doing?
Are people allowed to ride those things here?
No, not at the moment.
Is it cool if I like ride through here back, or should I?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay, cool. Appreciate it.
Just feel like I'm on my way home.
Yep. You too, thank you. Alright, I gotta head out. There's drops here as well. Like there's 3 small drops there. I don't want to ride any of that yet because they said they're closed and you need like a membership. But this thing is just 10 minutes from where I live. I might check out the membership part of that. I've been living here for so long and had no idea that this is just literally around the corner. It's so crazy. I had no idea. I'll head back now. Ooh. So the week has ended. I went surfing, I went mountain biking, I went motorcycle riding, but I forgot to charge my batteries. Also for surfing, I forgot to have a full battery. So I missed 2 other waves that I got. So I only got 3 waves. Not too good, but hopefully I can work on that and get better next week. This coming week I will be in Tahoe and I will go skiing on Wednesday and Thursday and then going back on Friday. So hopefully I can squeeze in some surfing on Saturday or Sunday or even mountain biking. So we'll see in next week, and stay tuned for some Tahoe videos this week.